welcome to my channel. My name is Karina Bonaduk, and this weekend I'm gonna be showing you how I did the accent wall in my bedroom.
Wish we could fly away, you and I, go to our favorite place. Oh yeah.
I'm pretty sure I was watching like HGTV when I saw somebody using stencils. I want to say not the small town one, the other one with the long hair lady. She has a tall husband that always does furniture by hand. Man, I forgot what it's called, but I saw her use a stencil for a wall instead of wallpaper, and wallpaper costs a lot. So I wanted a tropical theme. Well, yeah, I wanted a tropical theme. I found this stencil on Etsy for $43, and then the samples for the paint were $4 each, like $3.96 or something like that. I bought 3 of them, and then you need the little sponges from Dollar Tree, and that's it. It's an easy to do wall. The only thing is that you have to wash the stencil in between colors, and you have to let the wall dry. So when you reapply the stencil over on top of something, then it doesn't mess up, or it doesn't smudge. Is that a word? Yeah, I know smudge is a word, but I don't know if it's an appropriate word right here. But anyways, I will be showing you footage of how I did it, and then I will show you the end result. So let's go. The first thing you want to do is get the wall ready. So I painted it white because I painted the whole room white, and then you want to move the furniture out of the way so you can get to the wall, obviously. I forgot to mention it, you need painter's tape so you can tape the stencil on the wall. I only taped the top and the bottom, but I guess you can tape all sides if you want it to be really snug. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to dab in on there. I just literally painted. I did get some smudges that I fixed later on with the white paint that I use on the wall, but it wasn't that bad, and I like it more when it's in a smooth line instead of like the smudging. It leaves little dots. I tried that too, and it didn't really work for me. So you basically repeat these steps for all the colors. You put the leaves wherever you want to, if you can make it busier or less busy. And then for a few, I turn the leaves the other way, so sometimes the leaves are going towards the right and sometimes the leaves are going towards the left, and in between you gotta clean the stencil. I just hose it down and then I wiped it and then let it dry outside. You keep repeating the same process all over again until you have a full wall. This project took me all day because, again, you have to leave the leaves. You have to leave the leaves. You have to let the paint dry. So that's why it took all day, but the actual project itself doesn't take that long. So I would say maybe 2.5 hours-ish, which for a really pretty accent wall, I think it's quick, easy. It's definitely cheap. It was less than 60 bucks, and I'm super happy with the end result. This was the DIY project for the week. I really hope you enjoy it. Make sure to follow on Instagram at Karina Beneduk to see what's happening throughout the week and get the scoop before anybody else does. And like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what kind of content you want to see, and I will try to make do. I will see you next Saturday. Take care.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Hey there! I did this accent wall. Yep. Alrighty, so let's see. So the first thing you want to do is get the wall that you're going to do the accent wall ready. Yes. This was it. This was it for this week. I really hope you so you painted, and then I'm pretty sure you're supposed to, okay, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to dab in. See, and I will see you next Saturday. Why did I say it weird? How did I stop this? Come on, phone. I'm not connected no more. Failed. Oh, I'm on the Wi-Fi. Why are you failing?